In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more credits on ElevenLabs. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right in. The first step is to open your dashboard. Start by logging into your ElevenLabs account. This will bring you to your main dashboard where you can keep track of your projects and credits. Once you've done that, the next step is to access your subscription settings. Look for your profile icon, which you should find in the bottom left corner of the screen. Give that a click and a menu should pop up. From there, select the subscription option. This is where you'll manage your plan and credits. Now, it's important to review your current tier. If you currently find yourself on the free plan, keep in mind that you're limited to 10,000 monthly credits. This means that you won't have the option to buy extra credits when you run out. In order to unlock the ability to purchase more credits on demand, you'll need to upgrade your subscription. The minimum tier you would want to consider upgrading to is the Creator Plan. So, how do you upgrade if you need to? Once you're in the subscription settings, there should be options laid out clearly for you. Look for the upgrade options. Typically, you will see a button or a link for upgrading your plan. Follow the prompts to select the Creator Plan or any higher tier that meets your needs. Once you have upgraded your subscription and are on an eligible paid tier like the Creator Plan, you're ready for the next step. Go back to your subscription page. Here, you will notice something quite convenient. You'll see an option that allows you to buy extra credits. This is available whenever your monthly allowance starts getting low. To purchase additional credits, simply click on that option. You may be prompted to select the number of credits you wish to add to your account. The system usually presents a few different packages, so choose one based on how much you will need for your next projects. After selecting the package, you'll be guided to enter your payment details. Make sure to review everything carefully before finalizing your purchase to ensure that your account gets credited appropriately. Once completed, the extra credits should be added immediately to your account, and you'll be ready to continue your projects without missing a beat. And that's it. You're now set to manage your credits according to your needs on ElevenLabs. Whether you're creating content for personal projects or for professional use, having enough credits allows you to work seamlessly. If you have any questions or run into any issues during this process, be sure to reach out for support through ElevenLabs customer service. They can help clarify any confusion you might have along the way. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful,